Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best single-core electric cables for house wiring, helping you choose safe, durable, and efficient options for your electrical projects. Veckin cable, 1.5 mm single-core, copper. The Veckin brand of electrical cable is well suited for house wiring like the Veckin cable 1.5 mm single-core. There are other Veckin cables of various sizes and colors in our stock. GZ Industrial Supply also have in stock different brands of cables like Qtix cable, Nigerchin cables, etc., and other electrical supplies. Qtix single-core copper wire, 16 mm, PVC insulated. These are house wiring cables, both conduit and surface. They are insulated copper cables for low-voltage connections for household electrical appliances. We produce different colors of different sizes of cables, depending on the nature of the electrical appliances. Features of Qtix single-core copper wire, 16 mm. The Qtix single-core copper wire 16 mm PVC insulated flame retardant cables are fixed late in the circuit with frequency 50 Hz and voltage up to 0.6/1 kV, running from the main breaker panel or fuse box outlets to provide reliable, high-quality electrical current for your residential installations with our range of 100% pure copper wire from top brands like Nigerchin, Coleman, Kabelmetal, Qtix, Doncaster, Prysmian, etc. You are sure of authentic products. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.